Welcome back. I want to take you guys on a little behind the scenes of some things that went wrong working on the 335. So number one, light on me, but you know, my infamous headlight, if you look closely, yeah, you'll still see a little pool over there, and that is coolant, degreaser, and oil. So what happened was me, I was draining the oil. After draining the oil, you know, the stream gets thinner and thinner. I got up, went to get some tools, saw the oil seeping out from underneath the car right here. And I was like, oh. Went back down there, picked up, I used pretty much all my shop towels. All right, so I've been chasing down this leak and I found it. I went and got me, like I said in my previous video, I got me some tires so that we can slide on. But I've been chasing down this leak and I've been chasing down this leak and I found out that it was the cylinder head hose to the thermostat, and if you look really close, it is broken on the inside. Apparently this is a thing that happens. It's old, once again, just another old and brittle part that needs to be replaced. They do make an aluminum piece that is on its way, and hopefully it should be here today. What I'm gonna do is, I really don't want to reuse this hose, but I'm going to cut this band. Just use a Dremel, cut this band, put the new one in, and then I'm gonna use my whole thing of clamps here to just tighten, screw this back on. I believe this one should do. And that's gonna be it. Like I'm saying, like I wanna replace the whole hose, but that is a whole another job to do. I should have done it while I was doing the thermostat. Okay, so in order to find the leak, I got a new hose, connected the hose to the oil filter housing, plugged everything up, started squeezing pipes just to see if I can see where the leak was coming from. And I squeezed this one and I could see the leak coming from behind, but also made a huge mess. Wet up all the boxes, but that's okay. I'm just going to power wash the floor. It needs to be power washed anyway. So let's go ahead and get this part on and get this car out of the garage so that I can work on the 335, not the 335, work on the E46. We still have to get the top up. We are also going to have to move some things around. We have to get this inlet out of the way. Just like that, through the magic of editing, we have the part. Now, like I said, this is apparently an issue that goes wrong with the car. You know, it's the same deal. Bunch of old parts, old plastic parts that just fall off. So here we go, this is it. And like I said, what I'm gonna do is take my Dremel to, you know, the band that they have going on here. I'll show you. Try not to spill any of this oil. I have shop rags down here, but I'm gonna have to take this car to, yeah, I'm gonna cut this band and let's put that new piece in there. So let me grab my Dremel, start cutting. Let me make sure this other piece fits. Also, through the power of editing, we have the wheels on the M4 so we can, you know, start practicing. Also, I have plans for this. So here's the deal. 2 different sets. Some like first set, like if I want to track. Second set, like, you know, drift tires. So I'm not really building a drift car, just, you know, doing some fun things. But I had a plan for these wheels to begin with. So I wanted to turn them back into, like, I don't know if you guys have seen the wheels that are on the M4. They were not gold like that. They were bronze like that. They were powder coated, that bronze color. But before that, it was like a gunmetal gray. And I kind of want to take those wheels in that direction and make them a gunmetal gray. Other than that, yep, they're on the car. Start cutting. Just bend this metal out of the way. And there we go. Oh shoot, that's also, wow. This side of it too is broken. Okay, so let's make sure this doesn't go back in here. All right, we got that. Let me take off the band. We got fresh hose. Let's go. And we're gonna hold it together with the clamp that they gave us. Let's see this. Yes. Thank you. Oh my goodness. This is such. All right. And I can always reuse that part if need be, but I'm gonna patch everything up and see if anything leaks. If it doesn't leak, we're good to go, boys. We're good to go, boys. I'm gonna put it on this side, like up here, so I can easily get a screwdriver to it. Just push this on here. Yes, sir. Yeah, like that. Make sure that's nice and tight so that way nothing comes out of that side. Nice. Not gonna lie, this was pretty annoying. Just chasing down the leak was annoying. Hold on, where are my screws? I was about to say. Just chasing down this leak, trying to find out what's leaking. I'm squeezing hoses. That's like a glove. Get that ring in there. Make sure it's flush in there. And trying not to spill oil in this part too. There we go. See if I can get in there with my fingers. I'm gonna have to stand on this side. So it's weird, awkward position. You gotta get your hand there. There we go. hold on, my hose is coming out. Let me get my hand out of this. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on and then we'll try and fill it up and see if it leaks. All right, it's the moment of truth. I got my oil cooler lines back in. And let's see if anything else, come on. That's the last thing I need right now. Let's see if anything else leaks. Yeah, but that's the line from the cylinder head to the thermostat. That line needs to be replaced. Okay. I don't hear anything dropping on the floor. Let's go, boys. I'm gonna have to do the bleed process all over again, which I've already done in a previous video. So I don't think I'm going to record that part. So we just open this breather and keep pouring until the coolant comes out of the breather. Close it, go in the car. Thank goodness. Okay, some coming out of here. Yep, some coming out of here. So I'm just gonna close this up. And then we're just gonna go through the whole bleed procedure. Woo! All right, so that about does it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you like what you see, I'll try to leave a link to the part that I got off of Amazon. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the cones back on. What else do I need to do? I also bought a new crankshaft pressure ventilation piece because mine is kind of broken. So I bought a new one. I'm gonna put that one on and then remove all my rags and take the car over to the car wash and wash the inside. Wash all the oil off of the belts and stuff. But I've been up and down looking for this leak. I finally found it, boys. Guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also give me a like. Thank you for watching the video. And I'll see you guys next week. Just like that, she's back together. Let's go power wash.